Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's video is mainly for them who charge a Go2Bank account create method. It's paid service, not free. I will show you create an account with the AnyDex or TeamView. By purchasing this package, you can easily create an account. You will get this package. Number one, fresh SSN. It's free but limited. Second, number verification site, fresh IP panel. If you have these three elements, you can easily create an account. Big question: where you get contact link? If you show this video, you can check description. Description you get Telegram, WhatsApp, Skype link, or go to our channel. This is Telegram group. This is WhatsApp. This is Skype. You can join this any group and message admin.